Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 59 plate Defender 110 TDCi XS Station Wagon 7-seater that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Defender 110. Warning lights will come up as they should. The ABS light won't go out until you're doing 5 miles an hour, which is correct. Starts nicely. Showing, as you say, 181,000 miles, as we said in our other videos, but seems to be in absolutely rude health the way it drives. No issues whatsoever. Anyway, let's show you under the bonnet. Okay, 2.4 Puma engine here, just doing what it's supposed to do. No signs of any overheating or anything, or funny noises, or funny smells, although funny smells don't tend to come up well in videos, but seemingly in rude health, really is. Next up, driving. Okay, so here we are out in this 2009 Defender 110 TDCi XS Station Wagon 7-seater, and I have to say it's driving incredibly well. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. I've now done about 10-12 miles on it. Absolutely spot on. Clutch is nice, gearbox is good, there's no synchro issues or funny noises. Letting my foot off the throttle sharply, there's no backlash in the transmission. Now this has done, well, let's say 181,000 miles, rounding it up, but it drives as if it's done about 40 or 50,000. It's very, very good in terms of the way it performs. It's really good. It goes where it's placed. I'm not having to fight it down the road, and for once the steering wheel is actually pretty straight. It's also very, very rattle free. But powers along quite happily. All the instruments seem to be working. Sixth. It's quite, what's the word? Quite uncanny the way it's not rattling, because normally these at this sort of age and mileage do tend to pick up a few rattles as they go down the road, but not this one. It's very good. If you can hear any rattling, it's from the camera mount. Now this one's fitted with ABS and traction control. Braking wise, there's no pulsing through the pedal, no pulling, just doing what it's supposed to do. I'm struggling to fault the way it drives. Very good indeed. Very good. Anyway, I hope you like it.